What I wish I knew before holding in that sneeze. It's more dangerous than you think. Sneezing is like a pressure release valve for your body. When you hold it in, that pressure gets trapped. This can cause increased pressure in your sinuses and ears, leading to discomfort or even a ruptured eardrum in extreme cases. Suppressing a sneeze can also burst tiny blood vessels in your eyes and nose, causing bloodshot eyes or nosebleeds. Not fun, right? And get this, holding in a sneeze can even damage your throat or airways. Rare, but it's happened. Plus, sneezing helps expel irritants and germs. Hold it in, and you're trapping those nasties inside, increasing your risk of infection. So next time you feel a sneeze coming, let it out. Your body will thank you.